Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change block color. So we'll create for the new drawings, and as example you can draw rectangles to create rectangle objects and then set to the block. You can type block, press enter. For the name I will set to example. For pick points, okay, click in this corner. For the object, you can select the rectangle object. Don't forget to check convert to blocks and click OK. Now, if you want to change the color of these blocks, the best way is use the layer tools. You can type layer, press enter, and then you can create new. I will set the names into block. You can change the color like into this blue color. Click OK. And the next you can select the block object. Go to properties and then change the layer to the block. So they be change the color of the block object. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027 how to change block color.